How do I change my Outlook away status?
Hello everyone! In today's quick tutorial, we'll be walking through the process of changing your Outlook away status. Whether you're on vacation, stepping out for a short break, or busy with a meeting, letting your contacts know can be very beneficial.
Why is an away status important?
An away status, also known as out of office, in Outlook, serves two main purposes. 1. Informing your contacts that you might not respond immediately. 2. Setting expectations about when they might hear back from you. By setting this status, you save others the waiting time and potential confusion about why you haven't responded.
Steps to change your away status.
Follow these steps to change your Outlook away status. 1. Open Outlook. Launch your Outlook application on your computer. 2. Go to the File menu. Located in the top left corner, this is the starting point for many settings. 3. Choose Automatic Replies. In some versions, it may be labeled as Out of Office. 4. Select Send Automatic Replies. This will enable the feature. 5. Set Time Range. If you know the duration of your absence, you can set a specific start and end time for the automatic replies. 6. Craft your message. Write a brief note letting contacts know you're away and when they can expect a response. Remember, you can set different messages for people within your organization and outside it. 7. Click OK. This saves and activates your automatic reply.
Checking and deactivating the away status.
Once you're back, or if you wish to deactivate the status earlier, 1. Return to the Automatic Replies option. This is under the File menu. 2. Choose Do Not Send Automatic Replies. This will deactivate the feature. 3. Click OK. Remember, setting an away status is not just about automation, it's about effective communication. It ensures your contacts are informed, and it helps maintain trust and professionalism. And that's how you set your away status in Outlook. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Remember to keep your contacts in the loop, and happy emailing!